Okay, so I wanted to do a quick video here on uh, grounding out and insulating the channels for sound, and getting everything isolated as far as electrically as you can. It's important for noise reduction. So on this new guitar line, I have been trying to figure out the best paint. So I have Stu Mac, I have there's one on the market. It's called Super Shield. I suppose that probably has a place, but it leaves a really graphite silver film, and I didn't like that one. It didn't adhere to the wood very well. So what I did, I have probably 4 or 5 of these different ones. There aren't a whole lot out there, but there is a product called Bare Conductive, B-A-R-E Conductive, and you can find this on Amazon. It's really actually pretty inexpensive if you're looking for it. That's the can. It's called Bare Conductive. They're actually out of the UK, but there's a place in Colorado I ordered it from, and it was here in just a few days. But here's what you can do with it, and it's actually used for screen printing electrical panels. So I thought, okay, well, if they can do that, printed circuit board, then it should work, good for this project here. And what I've got is, I've got my, let's see if I can stand it up. I have my, sorry, I was putting the first coat of tung oil on that neck that I did last night. So you see, we're set at 1, we're at 2000 K. We're just checking ohms. So if we have good contact, by touching this, we should go to 0. So anywhere that you have contact. So up here in the neck cavities, this is a humbucker, so it's got the deeper channel in it. And I'm going to put the positive probe right in the center of it, and take this guy and put it way down in the bottom where you wouldn't normally be able to tape. I'll put it up on the next tier. And just to prove that this stuff works really good, there's a little bit of over, if you can see these little pieces here. So again, I'll just ground this out and watch the difference we have when we just touch. There is a little tiny bit of connectivity on this little spot, so we're going to touch just that little spot. There is some conductivity there, even though there's just a little micro piece, and the obvious parts that are disconnected have nothing. This line looks like it's somewhat connected. So if you have full coverage, this stuff is incredible. It builds excellent. It's thick. We'll go all the way from the humbucker. I have kind of a unique setup here. There's a lot to connect. You couldn't really do this with copper. So I'm going to just go in the corner, clear over here, corner, clear over here. We're going to get inside of our channel that the wire will run through. We'll go right to the bottom. Move all the way up in the very, very bottom of this deep humbucker cavity. And same thing on the other side. Back wall. Clear as far away as you can go from the 2 points. So again, I think if you take the time to find the right products and not necessarily do what everybody says on the forums or what everybody recommends, and you try a few different things, every once in a while you'll find a product like this. And this is just absolutely incredible. This back here isn't quite dry yet, but yeah, quite honestly, I mean, now these two should not be connected. I haven't connected these yet. I'm actually, on all these 400 models, I'm actually going to do the copper in the control cavity because it's easy access. Our 400 model doesn't come with a plate, so I want that to look good inside there. But you know, we'll go positive clear up here by the bridge, and this should not be connected. That's really funny. Actually, it is connected. Actually, I have connected it right through here, this little bridge. It's connected. So, I mean, that's amazing. I left this a little long. Look at that. This guitar channel is completely, there should not be any connection here because I haven't made it through this little tiny hole yet. The ground wire will actually connect and ground that section out. But isn't that just incredible? So on every guitar standard from us, we're going to use bare conductive. Awesome product. That gets, hey, wait, 2 thumbs up.